Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. Right, you've done it. Welcome to day 21, the last day of the 21 Days to Go series. Let's have a look. We have got a square, A, B, C, D, and a circle. The sides of the squares, side of the square, and tangents to the circle. That's how it looks. The total area of the shaded regions is 80 square centimetres. So the area of the square, subtract the area of the circle, is equal to 80. Work out the length of AC. Okay, well, to start with, I'm not going to work out the length of AC. I'm not going to aim to do that. That's that length, of course, the diagonal there. Instead, I'm going to aim to work out the side length of the square. So I'm going to call the square x by x. And that means that the circle will have a radius of half of x. Now I'm told that the total of the shaded area is 80 square centimetres. So that means that the area of the square, which is x squared, minus the area of the circle. Now if the radius is a half x, the area will be pi r squared, won't it? Which is pi times a half x squared, which is pi times a quarter x squared, because a half x times a half x is a quarter x squared. So to come back to here, the area of the square, subtract the area of the circle, and I know that equals 80. So here's an equation for me to solve. Well, I can factorise the left-hand side. I'll pull out x squared, 1 minus pi times a quarter in the bracket equals 80. So x squared is 80 divided by 1 minus a quarter of pi. So I can find out what x is now. I can find out what x squared is, and then square root. So let's have a look. 80 over 1 minus pi over 4. Okay, gives me an x squared of about 372. So I'm going to square root that to give me the side length of the square, 19.307599. I've written down enough digits so I won't lose any points through inaccuracy later. Okay, so I've got my square side lengths now. So here's my square. All right, and it has a side length of 19. I'm going to write 19.3, but I'm going to use the whole figure in my calculator. And I'm asked to work out this length. Well, I can use Pythagoras to do that, can't I? So I'm going to do 19.3 squared, or the whole number squared, plus the whole number squared again. And then I'm going to square root my answer. So let's square that. Get back to the 372.7 and so on. Okay, double it. So AC is the square root of 745.566 and so on. Square root answer equals, correct to three significant figures, 27.3. Let's write that legibly. 27.3 is the length of AC, correct to three significant figures. How many marks is that? It is 5 marks, and it's a question 21, so grade 8, grade 9, a good place to finish on our 21 Days to Go series. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.